You rely on electricity to run your critical equipment and keep the lights on at the office. But how does the grid operator ensure you're never without power? It boils down to capacity. The concept of capacity is kind of like a parking lot at a mall. An adequate number of spaces must be installed to accommodate shoppers on the busiest day of the season. Similarly, capacity ensures there is sufficient generation, or a parking spot, for the hottest day or hour of summer. Grid operators work with generators to guarantee supply meets demand, and capacity charges are paid to ensure you have electricity when you need it. Capacity is a significant part of your electricity cost, comprising about 25% of your total energy bill. The good news is that there are ways to help manage your capacity tag, which is the total kilowatt hours used by your facility on the peak hour of the peak day. A knowledgeable supplier can help you understand how to lower your capacity tag by predicting peak usage days so you can temporarily adjust your facility's power usage. It's important to note that your capacity tag is calculated annually, so any reduction efforts will apply to the following year. To learn more about commercial electricity strategies, visit igs.com/powerplanning.